Do you want to know how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your Android device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your Android device. Go ahead and open Play Store, which is on your phone. Go to the Google search bar and then search for MetaTrader 5. Click on MetaTrader 5 and you can see Install. Tap on Install. In a while, you can notice that MetaTrader 5 will be downloaded on your phone and now is installing. You can see that MetaTrader 5 is an online trading app with forex, stock quote, charts, technical analysis, and news. It's basically a finance app which helps you in online trading, and it will increase your comprehensive technical analysis. So you can go ahead and download MetaTrader 5 now on your Android device. After it is downloaded and installed, go ahead and click open, and there you go. You can now start creating a demo account. I hope this video about how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.